Hi all, welcome again. Today let us see how to find all factors of 11. Here are the rules. As per the rule, treat the given number as the dividend. Then start dividing the given number by natural numbers beginning from 1. Here, when we divide 11 by 1, we get 11 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 1, which is not greater than the quotient 11. So, continue to the next step. Here, when we divide 11 by 2, we get 5 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 2, which is not greater than the quotient 5. So, move on to the next step. Here, when we divide 11 by 3, we get 3 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 3, which is not greater than the quotient 3. So, move on to the next step. Here, when we divide 11 by 4, we get 2 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 4, which is greater than the quotient 2. So, please stop here and do not consider this step. Got it? Now, observe the division is exact in the first step, but it is not exact in the second and third step. Therefore, factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Got it? Thank you. For more details on factors and their properties, also how to find all factors of a given number, please watch the complete playlists. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.